In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can create a swastik symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word and you will find Microsoft Word under the best match. Then go ahead to click on that. Now click on the blank document. Okay, so let me just quickly increase the font size from here. So what we're going to do is we just need to simply type the numbers 5350. Okay, it's 5350 as what you can see on the screen. Now once you have typed the same numbers, exactly the same numbers, click the Alt X on your keyboard. Again, it's Alt. Okay, now let me quickly press it. Okay, so this is so once you have typed 5350, you need to click this shortcut Alt X. Okay, now let me quickly click it. And that's it. You have just created a swastik symbol in Microsoft Word. Okay, so again, it's 55350 and then Alt X on keyboard. And you're good to go. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.